Get out of here.
You, man!
Ah, Jesus Christ. What would you like, ma'am?
Shut the fuck up, please.
Give me 12 billion of everything and double it.
Okay, Dokie then. Yo, buddy, help me give a token on everything.
And hurry up!
What the fuck? Bitch! My fucking life. Wait a damn minute! Oh, no. You better get your asses out of the shop!
Hey, what did we do?
Oh, you two know what you exactly done to me!
That's not giving us a proper
You
answer.
got blood all over the fucking store. I had to clean it. You fucking got candy from this drug dealer. And not just that, you fucking nearly killed me with that doll of yours!
You know that was fake blood, right?
Yeah, you always brought trouble, you little bitches. For real, man. See? Right there, that is trouble. Yo, man, why is he following you?
Boy, how the fuck are we supposed to know? I bet he just wants some candy.
Damn, bitch, you're more fatter than me. Fuck this job, I quit. What the hell you mean you quit? No, you better get your... Oh, shit. Take this, you fat fuck.
You're a dumb bitch.
Fuck.